Sir, do I have the permission of the Honorable Chancellor to commence the convocation proceedings of confer degrees onto the candidates who in the examinations held for the purpose have been certified? Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and declare the
in Floriculture and Landscape Architecture Department.
Madam, look here, look here. Look here.
Powerful and the most merciful. Today we are on the colorful ceremony of the third convocation of our Sri Gondalachman Telangana State Horticultural University. On this day, the dignitaries who are sharing the dais with me, the chief guest of the convocation, Srimati Dr. V. Gita Lakshmi. Today we two Coimbaturians are sitting on the dais, and I am very proud that she is the Vice Chancellor of my hometown, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. And our Dr. Srimati D. Niranja Prabha, shaping you to make your life more comfortable, to make you more merit-oriented. They spend all their limited resources for you, the parents of the students, and my dear young brothers and sisters. Today India is moving forward at a rapid speed. From where you get this base? Resource, if you take 15 years back, 20 years back, the resources of India is highly limited. But the knowledge what we got today, that knowledge becomes the base for all of us. That knowledge becomes the Indian software all over the world. The money pours in, the investment started coming in. Now we are the 5th largest economy of the world. So the education is the base, that is the knowledge. You are highly educated today and you are knowledge oriented person today. And from here, the fifth largest economy, we want to move towards the first largest economy. I remember the call by the Prime Minister of India, our Narendra Modi ji, is based on one single principle. He has given this call not by believing himself alone. He believes the ability of the youngsters of India, the students of India, the young graduates of India, your enthusiasm to learn more and to achieve more. And I am very proud by seeing you all that is going to happen. From fifth we are moving towards third, and from third we will move towards first by 2047. I would like to offer my heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students who are receiving their well-deserved degrees, medals and awards today on this auspicious third convocation ceremony of the Sri Gondal Lachman Telangana State Horticulture University. I also compliment the faculty and supporting staff. I said the parents are giving all their resources out to you, but our masters are really injecting the knowledge inside your minds. Without teaching force, nothing is possible. I really salute to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our university for all their efforts in making you so successful. I feel pleased and delighted to be among you today. We all feel very energetic when we are with the young people and are able to recollect our own student life memories that provides a lot of fresh motivation to strive harder. I will tell you one thing, there cannot be so enjoyable moments in life other than the student life. But it is only a new beginning. Furthermore, I am informed that the university has assumed a great deal of responsibility by affiliating with the Forest College and Research Institute, a budding institution that offers degrees in the faculty of forestry through our university. Our Vice Chancellor has made some genuine request to me that I will take care all the infrastructure of our university will be of the international standard in the near future. And I will assure you one thing, all the good efforts of the university will be encouraged from the Raj Bhavan, and we will be backing you in every good effort of you. You all extremely young, my dear students, and today you are graduating with flying colors and a tone of high ambitions. Nothing wrong in that. You have to fix your ambition high, but you should move towards it. While moving towards it, you will get tiredness. You will get some kind of fatigue. Never believe all the most successful men in the world, all the successful women in the world, all the successful, even the saints in the world, they got fatigue. Everybody got the fatigue, everybody got the bad situation, everybody got the bad time, including the great saint who is inspiring every youngster, who is inspiring the whole world, that Vivekananda ji also got some fatigue. So never worried about it. What I